I was just getting ready to order myself a new pair of Birks for my summer painting. So I paint for a living, okay? I wear sandals all summer long. My sandals are trashed. They've got paint and crap all over them. The one on the right is the before, the one on the left is the after. Like I said, don't come after me. I paint every day. So I thought, why don't I see if I can revitalize this leather? I have the Wise Owl Salve. It is amazing stuff. So I thought, why not? So I came to work this morning. I grabbed my sandpaper and I started to sand the leather. Now these are Birkenstocks. So Birkenstocks are what, $125, $140 a pair. Generally every year I take the ones I wore for fun and graduate them to work shoes and then buy myself a new pair. And this year I was like, I bet you I could fix them. They're in perfect shape. They fit me like a glove and they're so comfortable. So I thought, let me just try. I got a piece of 150 sandpaper out and I just started sanding the leather. They are not knockoffs, so that's high quality leather. When I sanded the leather, all the paint and the garbage came off. Around the cork of the shoe too, the base of the shoe, everywhere. I undid the straps and I went ahead and sanded the bed of my feet where they go. Like I said, high quality leather. It's not ripping. There's nothing wrong with them. And I thought, I'm onto something. I am revitalizing these work shoes because, to be honest, I'm going to wear them all summer again and I'm going to paint and they're going to look just like this at the end of the year. But guess what? I broke out my Wise Owl Salve. I will link it in the description. I do retail this. It comes in a much smaller can. Of course, I buy by the jumbo can. And I applied it to the base of my beautiful shoe and put it everywhere. It reconditions leather. It's also amazing for furniture and revitalizing wood. But another secret little gem that it does is revitalize leather. So we went ahead and put it all over the top of my Birkenstocks, kind of wiped off if there was some residual that didn't soak in. And guess what? They are like brand new. I mean, brand new enough to not have to spend another $140 on a new pair of sandals. So I figured with the 10 minutes it took me to do this, heck yeah. So my shoes look pretty dang good, if I do say so myself. Look at how snazzy they were. They were embarrassing before. Now I could actually go somewhere and not look like, I need a new pair of shoes. Da 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 da. Don't mind the no pedicure. Thanks for watching, you guys. Go out and be fabulous.